Those are geese.
Shut up, you moron. Do you have the PhD in naturology?
It's not even a real thing. In fact, your accent isn't even real.
I'm not paying you to stand around and mock me, okay?
You don't pay me.
Exactly. I'm not paying you so you can do a terrible camera job and just point out all of my mistakes. So just bring the camera over here and point it at those darn dirty ducks and let me do my job.
Oh, okay, sir.
The little swan babies are on the move.
Those are goslings, sir.
Shut up! Now, I'm going to attempt to slip inside of the Duck Society.
Please don't.
I will. Shh. Don't argue with me. I'll inconspicuously slide in. Now I must go.
Don't attack
They're on
me.
the move.
Please don't. No.
Here I go.
Oh, you idiot. You idiot! Oh, I told you it was a bad idea.
They realized that I wasn't a real duck.
Yeah, you're an idiot.
Shut up. Shut up. Luckily, I did get a closer look at their hind feathers, which are fine-tuned so they can fly not only on Earth's air, but in space.
I don't think that's how it works. I don't think they can go to space.
How many times am I going to have to tell you? I am the expert, not you, me. So maybe you can listen for once and take notes. Stop spitting in the grass, you animal.
I'm sorry. I ate Oreos beforehand.
How did I end up with a son like you?
I'm not your son.
Shut up. This is the nature lake.
I think it's just a pond.
Shut. How many times? Freaking tiny birds won't get old.
I believe they're mosquitoes.
No. There's one on you. There's one on you.
There's.
Make sure your thumb's not in the way of the camera, you buffoon.
I'm sorry.
Shut up.
Why don't you just document this over here? It's a crawdad hole.
What the heck is a crawdad hole?
You know those like shrimpish looking things that live on land but crawl under the ground? See? Like right there, see?
Well, this isn't a crawdad hole.
There actually might be one somewhere closer.
You know what this is?
What?
This is nature's belly button, I'll tell you. That's what that is.
I don't think that's...
I have the PhD.
Again, that's not even
P
real.
for person, H for who, D for decides. And I decide that this is nature's belly button. Or his butthole. I'm not sure which.
Why did you leave me, Karen?
Anyways, this tree right here. There's crawlies on that tree. I didn't want to touch that. This tree over here is special. Most trees are made of wood, but this one is made of stone because I can't hit it with my hand and break it. See how solid that is?
I think that's just wood.
No, it's stone because I can't break it with my hand.
Most wood can't be broken with its hand.
Yes, it can. Have you ever ripped paper? That's wood.
That's crushed down with water and all kinds of different
Shut up.
materials. Okay.
Shut up. If you don't want to be here, just go.
I can't, sir. You handcuffed me to the camera.
Oh, I forgot about that. Now I'm gonna climb the nature tree. Here we go. Maybe. Oh, a spider! There's a spider. There's a spider.
Oh,
Creepy, crawly little devils. The worst bugs ever made.
spiders aren't bugs. They are arachnids.
Okay, Mr. Smart Alec. Why don't you correct me again? Go ahead, correct me again.
Okay, there are many things I can point out. Which one do you...
Shut up! The ducks are back. No doubt because they can't get enough of my stunning good looks. I'm gonna go give them another taste. Get this on camera because it's never been documented before.
You're an idiot, sir.
He got me. He got me. One 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 got me. I'm not gonna make it.
Dude.
I'm not gonna make it. Just leave me.
Okay.
Wait, you're not supposed to actually leave me.
Oh, I just wanted to see if you're actually dead.
I got all this dirt in my hair. All for nothing.
Yep.
Dirty pineapple shirt. Dirty, dirty. Mr. Makeup Man thinks it's funny. You look like I do. You're lucky I didn't die, boy. You'd have no mentor left.
I don't like you, sir.
You don't have to like me. You have to know what I teach you is the right thing.
Nothing you've said today is right.
Really? And who would tell you that?
Every scientist ever
They're all
can
fakes.
argue with
They're
you.
crazy. I am the real one. The only real scientist.
Oh, really? What field of science do you have a degree in?
Naturology. We've been over this.
Naturology isn't a degree. Like your accent, it does not exist.
Look, my accent was crafted throughout years of traveling the entire globe. It's become a melded mess of Australian, Cockney, American, that one accent where they can't say their R's right. Sorry, that might have been racist. I don't even remember anymore. Well, everyone, this might be my last documentary because my probation officer says that I'm not allowed outside anymore unless I'm escorted by a police officer. So, until next time, stay naturey, folks.
Can I please stop, Grandpa?